Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson you are going to learn how to record your screen in PowerPoint. Now screen recording is not the same as slide recording. Screen recording is to record your computer screen, and maybe you want to explain certain thing that you have in your computer or certain application. You can use screen recording. So now, the first thing you need to do is to launch your PowerPoint, open your PowerPoint application and insert a slide. It's very important for you to insert a slide. To insert a slide, go to New Slide and click on Blank Slide. Now, if you have an existing slide, for example, let's say you have this presentation and you want to add a screen recording to this presentation, it is advisable you create a slide at the top of your presentation, because if you click on this slide and you go to recording and you go to your screen recording, it's going to replace this content with your recording. So in order for you not to lose this content, it's advisable to create a separate slide for your screen recording. So we are going to so for you to record your screen using PowerPoint, you need this recording tab. Now, if you do not have recording tab in your PowerPoint, so what you can do is you can right click on any part within your ribbon. So if you are in your home tab, you can right click and then you go to your customized ribbon. If you go to customized ribbon, down here you are going to see recording. So because it's here right now, that is why it's checked. So if I uncheck this and click OK, it's going to disappear from my tab. So if I right click again and go to customize ribbon and check it, it's going to come back. So that is how to bring this recording tab. So once you have this recording tab, click on recording, and here you're going to see screen recording. So once you click on screen recording, you're going to see all of these options here. So if you want to record your mouse pointer, you enable this. If you do not want to record your mouse pointer, you just click to remove it, but I'm going to click on it. Also, if you don't want to record audio, you can click on this, but I want to record audio. So now you can also select the area that you want to capture. So next time I will advise you minimize every application that you have on your screen. So but we can still capture the area. So I'm going to click on this and select the area that I want to capture. So I'm just going to draw. If you don't want to capture your taskbar, you can just stop it right here. But if you want to capture your taskbar, you can capture everything. So I'm just going to I'm not going to capture my taskbar. I'm just going to capture up to this point and then release my mouse. So here I can start to record. I can click on record right here. So if I click on record right here, I can, after the count, I can count down, I can start recording. So I'm going to minimize the PowerPoint and I can start. So let's say I want to teach on how to create a folder in Windows desktop. So I'm going to right click on your folder and go to new, click on folder and just label it whatever you want to label it. So that is how to create a folder in a PowerPoint. Let's say I want to teach about something in the settings. So I'll just go to your Windows your start button and click on settings, and once you're in the settings you can actually do this and do that. So I'm going to, so that is how to do that. Let's say you want to show somebody on a browser, so you can do a quick screen recorder for that. I'll click on my browser. Okay, so after clicking on your browser, so you can actually show the person whatever you want to show the person. Let's say I want to show you that, okay, you can go to Pixabay to download high quality picture, and I want to show you how to do that. So you go to Pixabay, download a high quality picture, type what you want to download right here and hit the enter key. don't forget that I'm recording my screen. So I'm just giving different examples. So while that is going on, so I can say, okay, I want to show you my YouTube channel, and just go to youtube.com. So when you get to youtube.com, you can search for Tonz Media, and it's going to bring it up. So search for Tonz Media. Tonz Media. And it's going to bring up the channel, and this is the channel right here. You can click on it and you have access to all the tutorials. Okay, so this is my Pixabay. You can use any of these. Just click on the computer pictures that you want to download, and so basically screen recording will allow you to record beyond what you have within PowerPoint. So if you are true with whatever you are explaining or whatever you are trying to capture on your screen, on any part of your screen, you can just move up here. If you move up here, you're going to see the stop, or you can use the Windows shortcut key, Windows logo key plus Shift plus Q. So you can click from here, or you can stop it by using this shortcut key. So I'm going to just click on stop, and when you click on stop, it's going to take it straight to your PowerPoint. Like I said, you can see it's taking up this slide right here. Okay, so assuming this slide is going to erase this content and replace it. Okay, so you can play this right now. So if you play this, I'm going to count down, I can start recording. So I'm going to minimize the PowerPoint, and I can start. So let's say I want to teach on how to create a folder in Windows desktop. So I'm going to right click on your folder and go to new, click on folder, and just label it. So that is how you can record your screen in PowerPoint. So PowerPoint will not just only you to record your screen. You can do basic editing of your video that you recorded. So let's check video format. If you click on video format, you have some color corrections here. You can change the color if you want to, as you can see right here. So you can reset your design to default. So then you have a video style. You have different video style that you can choose. So it depends on the kind of style that you want. If I choose this style, for example, so it's going to, the video is going to play in this format. Like I can count down. So as you can see, so if I select this style also, if I play, start recording. So I'm going to minimize. So you have different video style that you can make use of. So it depends on the kind of video that you are making. Okay, so I'm going to, let me use this as an example. So let's say you want this this video format, the PowerPoint. Now you can change this background. So if I click on this background right here, now I go to my design and I go to format background. I can select picture. I can even select solid color. So for my background, so as you can see, so if I play the video, I can count down, I can start recording. So I'm going to minimize the PowerPoint, and I can start. So let's say, so other thing you can do if you go to your video format is you have poster frame right here. So I'm just going to reset the design. I will reset my design. So you have poster frame. So poster frame is the same thing as thumbnail if you are used to YouTube. So basically thumbnail is just the graphics that you will see before the video, something like this. You have this a thumbnail, so just like the design that you're going to see. So PowerPoint can allow you to do that as well. So if you go to poster frame and you click on image from file, so you must have designed something that you want to use for your video. So let's say you have something like this, and you want to use it as a thumbnail, so you can do that, and that is what is going to be seen. So let me use another image. I don't think. Okay, so you go to download. I don't know. Okay, let me just click on this. I don't know what to say, but okay. So let's say you want to use this as a thumbnail, as you can see. So you can design something, you know, based on what you are trying to explain, and use it as your thumbnail. So if I start this video now, the thumbnail, I'm going to count down, I can start recording. So I'm going to have my video playing. So record that for that. You can go to, you have all of the sections that are recorded. Right. So now you also have other, you know, editing features that you have here, like your video shape, and you have your video border. So if you want to put a border, you can do that, and you can make it thicker by going to weight, and you can see the border is now visible. You have video effect as well, so you can apply all of these video effects. So you have this as well, so how you want it. So so now another thing I want to discuss before I end this tutorial is the playback. So if you go to playback, so basically you have fade in, you have fade out. You can do this, and let's say you want to fade in music, you can do that, or the beginning of the video rather, you want it to fade in, then the end of the video you want it to fade in. Just put a time in here. So let's say you want the fade in to start at 4 seconds, so you can set it, or you want it to start at okay, so anyhow you want it to start, then you want the fade out as well to start at particular seconds, so you can do that. So now, but what I really want to point out here is this trim video. This is very important. So trim the video clip by specifying the start and the end time. So if you click on trim video, if let's say the start of the video you don't like it, like I don't really like the first section of the video, so I'm going to trim it out. Then the last section that is showing, so if I play this video now, let me play it. I can count down. So I don't want this section to be part of it. I can start recording, so I'm going to minimize the PowerPoint, so I can start. So let's say I want to teach on how to create a folder, so I'm going to start from here. So I'm going to trim this to this point, and if I go towards the end of my key plus shift plus Q, so I don't want this slide recording to show, so I can trim it out as well, and so on. So you just have to get everything planned right, and then once you are okay, you click on OK. It's going to trim all of that out. So if I play my video now, it's not going to start Windows on this point desktop, so I've trimmed the other part. Right click on your folder, and right, so you can insert caption if you have any. So lastly in this lesson, if you want to convert this to video, you can go to export to video, and you're going to see create video, and it's going to create it in MP4. So you can name it, select location on your desktop, on your computer rather, and click on save. So once you click on save, it's going to render it. As you can see right here, it's going to convert it to video file. So I'm going to cancel it. So it depends on the length of the video, that's how long it's going to take to do that. You can also go to file and click on export, and you see create video, and you click on create video, and it's going to convert it to MP4 video for you. If you click on save as well, the same thing is going to render it. As you can see down here, it depends on how long the video is, so that's going to tell you the time it will take to finish converting that to video. So that'll be all for this lesson.